He come to me with money in his hand. He offered me. I didn't ask him. I wasn't knocking someone's door down. I was running from that. When I got out, I was in that. I was already through that. I had that. I had the studio. I went to the studio. Went to Fox Studios. I had it all. And I looked at it and I said, this is a bigger jail than I just got out of. I don't want to take my time going to work. I got a motorcycle and a sleeping bag and 10 or 15 girls. What the hell I want to go off into and go to work for? Work for what? Money? I got all the money in the world. I'm the king, man. I run the underworld, guy. I decide who does what and where they do it at. What am I going to run around and act like I'm some teeny bopper somewhere for somebody else's money? I make the money, man. I roll the nickels. The game is mine. I deal the cards.
I close my eyes and seize it. I clench my fists and beat it. I light my torch and burn it. I am the beast I worship. I close my eyes and seize it. I clench my fists and beat it. I light my torch and burn it. I am the beast I worship. And I know soon come my time, but in my mortar bells burn. But I did not the time I'm taking past the point of no return. Wage war like no tomorrow, cause no hell there won't be one. For all who deny the struggle, the triumph and overcome. Strips away a few of them that up to there on our winds. Rise begin when the sun descends. And found with few will ever know have seen the truth beneath the glow of the ebb and flow, where the roots of all mysteries grow. I am below, so far below the bottom line. Transmitting love, transmissions rise from the depths out of control love. Suspended glance and I'm blinking eyes. Imminent gaze cast on the path that runs, on the path I find and claim as mine. Ride the waves of unrest made to make me shine as a testament to all the ways of the blind will never get. Ship or shake by my disrespect. Dismiss this life, worship death. Cold blood night of serpent's breath. Exhale like smells from the endless nest in the bottomless well of emptiness. Channel to evoke what we represent. Secret order, elitist order, creeping fire, seizing power. Rod is up, the loop is out. I am born, time is gone. Blue light drawn, fly till dawn. Sacrifice to rise beyond. Deep inside, the violent calm of the coming storm. And must war to glorify and for life adorn. With all that dies to become unborn. I close my eyes and seize it. I clench my fists and beat it. I light my torch and burn it. I am the beast I worship. I am the beast I worship. I close my eyes and seize it. I clench my fists and beat it. I light my torch and burn it. I am the beast I worship. I am the beast I worship. In a time before time I'd leverage on. Scars like psychotropic stars. The smell of dawn. Flesh bled dry by a sworn. The pesticide vomiting forth. Flames of love. And older than ancient force that slays this life with no remorse. The spiral storm, the flames inside. The torch I raise, the force I ride. Feel my vessel go up in flames. Flesh torn slip by the unnamed. Direct connection to the source. Vestment of a natural force. Forever burning black torch. Wisdom of the old and true. Possessed by the chosen few. Shining to reveal the ways of the darkness that pervades all that is and ever was. Inferno of witches' blood. Worship is not on bended knee. Nature knows not of mercy. To pray is to accept defeat. Power pisses on the weak. Bow and be headed by the beast. Beggar on a bitch's leash. Scum is desperate for relief. Worship is the way I ride. Wishing currents through the odds. Storms that force the false deny. Worship the flame with which I rise into apocalyptic skies. Auschwitz flame, I'm blessed alone. In splinter skeleton I roam. Wastelands with not to call my own. But the path I walk alone. The hunger burns within my gut as my bones turn into dust. And I know soon come my time, but in my mortar bells burn. But I've been not the time, I'm taking past the point of no return. Wait for like no tomorrow, cause no hell there won't be one. For all who deny the struggle, the triumph and overcome. I close my light my torch and burn it. I am the beast I worship. I am the beast I worship.
What up, Joyce? Man, seeing what's going on with it. If you guys got that CD thinking about heading out here, Dave's gonna come through and smoke some. It goes, 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 it goes.